February 2026 is truly amazing. It's a perfect 4 weeks a month where every day appears exactly 4 times. 4 Saturdays, first 8, 15, and 22. 4 Mondays, 2, 9, 16, 23. 4 Tuesdays, 3, 10, 17, 24. 4 Wednesdays, 4, 12, 18, 25. 4 Thursdays, 5, 12, 19, 26. 4 Fridays, 6, 13, 20, 27. And last 4 Sundays, 7, 14, 21, and 28. The last time February was like this in 2021, and that month's changed history from Mars mission to global events. February 2021 left a deep mark on the world. Watch till the end and discover why times itself feels special. In February 2021, humanity reached Mars. NASA rover landed on Mars searching for sign of life. A proud moment for the Muslim world. The UAE Hope probe successfully entered Mars orbit. Global political shock. On 1st February, a military coup took place in Myanmar, causing the worldwide concern and protest. Historically, weather crisis. February 2021 also brought a deadly winter storm in the United States, leaving millions without electricity and heat. Hope after the pandemic. And most importantly, February 2021 marked the global rollout of COVID-19 vaccine, bringing hope to humanity after a long, painful period. February 2021 came with the same balance, and Allah showed the world His power. Humans reached Mars, nations were shaken, hardship came, and hope returned through healing. This teaches us one thing: time itself is a sign of Allah. Months repeat, days repeat, but our life do not. Every balanced month is a reminder: use your time wisely. Turn hardship into sabr, success into shukr, and knowledge into humility. Because when Allah gives time, He also asks how it was spent. So as February 2026 arrives, let us not only admire the calendar, let us reflect on our heart, our deeds, and our relationship with Allah.